Great to see you. I'm Rita Garcia.
And I'm Samika Knight. Meteorologist Elita Loresca is starting us off with the forecast. We've got some slick roads, meaning rain is falling in some areas.
That's right. Some of the heaviest of the rain, though, it has moved on, has been moving into Louisiana or staying offshore. We do have some clouds overhead, and there could be another wave here moving through over the next few hours or so. Nothing too heavy, but you'll notice the winds will be steadily picking up as the winds have shifted out of the north. And it is going to be a chilly wind, so even though temperature readings may be starting off a little bit milder this morning, as much as 10 degrees warmer for the city of Houston, don't let that mild air fool you, because we've got those temperatures that'll be dropping. You can see some of the heaviest of the rain now centered over Lake Charles, continuing to push over central and eastern parts of Louisiana. Along this boundary here will be the focus point of some showers and storms. Right now, a lot of that heavy rain has shifted offshore. Still a few areas that may get edged by some of these light rain showers. Those thunderstorms, though, remaining offshore there just off the coast of High Island, and some of those rain showers now starting to taper off north of Interstate 10. Based on the latest model data, a lot of the rain and even the heaviest of the rain slowly starting to taper off. There'll be some widely scattered showers. I think the way that the atmosphere is set up for today, it's going to feel damp, it's going to remain dreary, and with that north breeze, that's going to limit any sort of warm up for today, and some of those clouds may produce some rain showers later on into the evening. Now, you are seeing a lower ceiling of clouds, potentially some patches of fog, not locally dense, but there could be some fog here and there. Dense fog advisories mainly along the coastal communities around Lake Jackson. Sargent this morning, a dense fog advisory until 6 o'clock. Calhoun as well as Matagorda County, even areas around Victoria dealing with some dense fog. Those temperatures, as I mentioned, running milder this morning, with those temperatures sitting somewhere in the upper 40s to low 50s. But when you look at the hour-by-hour forecast, we may be stuck in the 50s for the next few hours, but don't be surprised as that north wind gets going. Those temperature readings fall, and we'll be hovering somewhere in the upper 40s to low 50s, with wind chill values this afternoon somewhere into the 40s. We're not done with the rain yet. We've got another round of some showers for tomorrow. I'll walk you through that forecast coming up in just a few minutes. Now pushing into portions of Louisiana and Mississippi, but look what's unfolding across the northern parts of our state, across the Panhandle, dealing with some snow. They've got winter weather advisories. Nothing frozen falling around here, just in liquid form. Some light rain showers still lingering along the coastline, but a lot of that is pushing out. We're not done yet. Due to the extensive nature of the clouds and, yes, kind of this very moist atmosphere, it is going to stay fairly damp throughout the day. Not really seeing heavy rain, but some light to moderate rain showers a possibility, keeping those rain chances elevated throughout the day, anywhere between 30 to 40%, with temperature readings hovering somewhere in the upper 40s to low 50s. But with that north breeze blowing, it could be gusty at times. That is going to have us feeling basically that we're in the 40s all day. We're talking another round coming up tomorrow. I'll let you know whether or not Friday is going to be a washout, coming up in about 10 minutes. This is quite the sight to see. This is some much needed rain that has fallen over the last 7 days. And you can see the areas that have picked up over 3 inches over the past 7 days. Radar estimates over 5 inches. Portions of Harris County, Liberty County, further off to the east, even some of our northern counties, San Jacinto, Polk County, really winning the jackpot when it comes to the highest rainfall totals. And this, no doubt, is going to help, especially for those of you along Interstate 45 and off to the east with our drought situation. We'll get another update here coming up later on this morning, so we'll have that for you to see what areas have seen improvements. This moderate to severe, it's not going to wipe it all away, but we can probably see improvements, hopefully getting us back to level 1, just abnormally dry conditions. And because we didn't see as much rain on the west side of town, I'll be surprised if we get any of this knocked out, that severe and extreme drought. But you know what? The good news is we've got another opportunity the next couple of days to get some wet weather in here to add to the rain gauge. I know the fall months have been, unfortunately, lackluster when you talk about the amount of rain that we've seen. Still in a deficit since the official start of our rainy season. But this heaviest rain that saw overnight develop, that is now pushed on. The roads are still damp out there, so please be careful. We're seeing any sort of rain that's developing along this boundary stay offshore. The The latest on FutureTrack, we've got more of this moisture that's still in place. Just some light rain showers right now that's going to continue to clip along the coastline there of Chambers County and then shift further offshore. And then just some spotty showers north of the Lake Livingston area. So when you look at FutureTrack throughout the morning, it's not going to be raining all day. And with the extensive amount of clouds that we're going to see today, we're not going to see much of a break. It's going to feel damp and kind of misty. If you remember how Monday felt, very, very dreary, along with some chilly weather, some breezy conditions as well. FutureTrack brings in kind of another wave of showers here. Should stay light north of Interstate 10 later on this evening. Otherwise, in addition to 13 alert radar, we're also tracking the visibility out there. Not really dealing with the ground fog, but there is going to be a lower ceiling of clouds today. Temperature readings are starting off milder this morning in the low to mid 50s. But again, don't let that milder air fool you. That north breeze that's blowing and at times will be on the strong side. That is going to deliver temperature readings somewhere in the upper 40s to low 50s through most of the day. And when you factor in that breeze, the wind chill values will make it feel about 5, maybe even as much as 10 degrees cooler than what the actual air temperature reads. So